My
flying
drunk's
into his
water.
mouth.
Are you still looking at him? Where's your drunk?
Ah, like right over here.
Yeah. Well, I have an idea. What if I go and I bomb the region where El Gran Maha was and I make them fight?
You wanna make them fight?
Yeah, watch this. So El Gran Maha used to be. Let me. If you want to exit your drunk, by the way. Look, El Gran Maha used to be like somewhere over there. Like the Sea Eater somewhere over there.
Who's gonna win if they fight?
Oh, Sea Eater! Sea Eater, where are you? Hello? Is he out there?
Hello? I don't know where you are. I don't see him.
I don't see him either. Did he swim away? Hold on, let me get back on the
Maybe he
boat.
got
Let me get back on the
scared
boat.
of fighting.
Grandma, it's right here! Oh, Sea Eater's right there. Hold on, go fight him! Go fight him, idiot! Wait, did he just kill Grandma? I think he just killed Grandma. I think he's glitching out. He's literally eating him right now. You see that?
I do see that.
Wow, look.
Mahjong! Do you think he's gonna eat us next?
Wow.
Oh my god, he just tried to
Look.
eat us!
Ooh.
Holy crap! That is
Wow, it's nice with the
How
snow.
did they make a small Sea Eater? What the frick is this thing? This thing's We're gonna try to survive in the maze.
Wait, hold on. Before we do that, I got some
Oops, look.
You see this?
It's not shooting
You
snow.
see this, Derby?
Yeah.
Look what I got.
Okay,
Alright,
it's a
so
grenade.
in this thing, you remove the pin. This.
That one probably didn't feel so good there.
Oh, there is a gloves here.
What the frick?
We forget to take out.
Yeah, he's spitting them out. Look.
Oh, it's
See,
snowing.
you're right.
Oh, this is only like a
Watch,
cotton.
yeah, see, it's all the way up there.
Hit him with a stove.
Ala, we need a vacuum. Ala, we need a vacuum.
I ended up all the way across the map. I want to do that too. I seriously.
Wow, with the decoration. Oh.
No, I accidentally surfed across the map. I pulled it against me. Yeet. Oh. I killed it. I killed the baby one. But that was the one.
Mama.
Probably.
What?
But we're trying to run for the baby one. Hold on, let me get another one. Here we go.
Wait, hold on. So we're gonna go into the maze. We're gonna try to escape from the Sea Eater. But I have an idea.
What's this? What's this?
Yay, he made
Ah, this is the light.
He's kind of pissed because I killed his brother, but.
Oh, I need
Anyway,
this one.
What was your idea? Speak.
Because
Well,
I'm on
can you
glutes.
imagine hearing this out at sea, like in the 1400s or whenever they invented boats or something? Anyways, here's my idea. Seeing as it
Wow.
Some people just know they can save hundreds on car insurance by checking Allstate
Mm.
first. Like you know to check your school's saying first before saying it.
Put this one there. We put it there. Iki-san?
Allstate first.
And that one, we put that one there upstairs. The small one. Whoa. What's this? Babe, can you fix this one, babe?
And balance. Making a dinner that makes them full
This one
day.
here.
And giving your best friend the best nutrients for their best life. Science did that.
The whole?
Friends turn up unannounced. M&M's for all fun.
There's a globes included.
simple, the Sea Eater launches things. How about, I just grab one of these office chairs, I sit in this office chair, and you launch me. That was actually fun.
That was so beyond stupid. That was beyond stupid. Hold on. Oh, he just ate me, bro. He slapped his big. No, never mind. He grasped me. He touched me.
Alright, look, I'm gonna get him real mad. Birdie, get out of the way.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of the way. Jesus Christ! You killed him!
What?
Yeah, no, that's not good. Okay, Doctor, let's actually run in the maze, otherwise the mom's gonna show up, okay? Come on, let's start back over here. Follow me. I got the normal one. Here you go. Alright, Dark, are you ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay, hopefully this thing can move on land. Let's see. Bro, he's moving on land. Bro, he's moving on land. Go. Bro, he just hit me with his tail. That was
We
cheating.
need a head start. We
Okay.
need a head
I'm
start.
gonna head start for sure. Hold on, let me make sure that this map doesn't have those underground creepers in it. Let me just load this. There we go. And then put this guy right there. Okay, Dark, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, you start it. What the? Dark. Dark. You're not gonna. I'm gonna.
Oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. I
I'm
should've
just
known.
go. I'm
Wait
just
for
gonna.
me, wait for me. I'm here with you. I'm here with you.
No.
I
Yo.
can hear the sound getting closer.
He's coming now.
Dude,
What is
it's
that
been
noise?
so long since I
Wait.
last was in this maze, so
I
I,
hear-
really don't know the way.
There's beetles,
It looks like
bro.
the-
Oh my
the
god.
stand.
Bro,
It
just
must
keep
be
running, just keep
heavy.
running, dude. Jesus.
That's
He's
heavy.
behind us. Look up there. Look out there. Look out there. Come on. We gotta make it to the end where we can get some drones and then we can blow
You're going
them.
so fast right now, it's kind of making me dizzy.
What?
I'm not used to this maze anymore. I got like the big flat maze.
Yeah, you
Oh.
are big and flat.
What's this?
You
need to
Wait, did we lose it? I think we might have lost it.
What is wrong?
He's all the way back over there.
Moving though.
Oh, dude, we're really close to the end. It's right over here.
This should be the lock.
Yeah, this is the luck.
We're here.
Wait. Define the end of the maze. Is it the big like empty space
It's
or
the
is it
big
the south?
thick tower. Yeah, it's the big thick tower.
See, we had a miscommunication.
Yeah, you would have a
We had a little
miscommunication.
miscommunication.
Where are you? I'm here,
That's all
bro.
that
I'm
is.
literally here. I'm Timothy. I'm literally him. I'm him. Where are you? I'm better. I'm stronger. Oh, there you
Yeah,
are.
you?
Look at you. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Get me up there, bro.
He's-
Look, I got
oh,
a
He's
chair.
coming. He's coming for you. Spawn a chair.
Get me up there.
There you go.
Or,
Look at these little drones
what's
I have.
this?
Ooh,
Take out this one?
Different. But let me try one.
Aren't they kind of cool looking?
Yeah. Wait, how do I go up?
Dude, you killed! Oh my god, you just died. You just, you don't click space.
Don't hit the space button.
Okay, I'm gonna run this thing into him. Hold on, I'm running it into him.
It's an exploding drone.
It's an exploding drone. Okay, look at this. Ready?
There. Then lock it.
Did it work?
Nope. That didn't do
He
anything.
deflected
It
it.
probably got him mad
He
though.
deflected it. Are you moving him? Bro.
I'm trying. He's a little fatty.
Oh my god.
Ooh, look at
Oh my,
Wait,
wait.
he's trying to get Beanos, I think.
He's trying to kill Beanos? Oh my god. Boop it. Hold on, you gotta move him away. This ain't gonna happen.
This purple Pokemon thing, it's supposed to be Beanos.
Why is he still going for Beanos? He's going for
But I
the
don't have his
bean.
fault.
He's going for the bean. Oh no,
We gotta get rid of Beanos, bro.
He just
get
ate
rid
the
of Beanos.
Oh, never mind. He's trying to get me now. Look at him. He's such a goober. Look at him. Goober.
Wait,
Oh.
This-
you got to blow him up with a drone. I want to try that.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him back to the start because I feel like
This
he's
is really
more
a
strong
snow.
this round.
Don't
Grab
hit
it from
the
the
space
stick,
button.
the bottom.
Not hit the space button. Whatever you do, don't hit the space
What
button.
stick?
Grab it from
Don't
here.
hit the space button.
Oh.
Hit the space button.
What stick?
This one here.
Oh, these
Oh.
things go fast.
Where's your drone? Holy, oh my, that is scary. Wait,
You know
is
when I
that-
choose this one bit
is-
because
is right click to
I
bring
miss
it down?
Norway.
Better run.
Oh,
Where
it's
are
not.
You know,
Where are you?
You better run.
Where
I've
are
been
you?
living there half of my
You
life.
Better run.
Holy crap! He's got a drone. Oh my god, no!
Help me,
no,
help
Dark,
me to
Dark,
open.
Dark, oh, bro, I feel terrified. Oh, he's stupid. He crashed it.
And I like it. There is a design. There's a flowers.
I am not stuck.
What's
Look
the name?
at-
This
look
one
at
right
you,
here.
You're stuck. You're literally
This
stuck
one?
with the.
Yeah.
You were saying?
Okay, anyway, Dark, I think we need to size these guys down a little bit and make them a little faster.
Wire. See the wire?
I know.
Big black portal? No, that just tingles me, bro. That's some good roll right there.
You're
That's,
so.
I just
Bro's
made
getting
that up.
tingled right now. Under the
Oh, the
desk.
wire
It
go
is
up here.
Not about theater, okay?
Dude,
Oh.
imagine you're on a ship in the middle of nowhere. There's a huge storm. You hear this sound.
There's a lot
You
of
look,
mess in the
You
floor.
see a giant creature. It doesn't have a normal mouth with teeth. No, it has a huge mouth with a portal. It swallows you whole. You have no idea where it's going.
Where? Bro, lore. Next video, I entered
Lord,
sea eater's butt. I mean mouth. Whoa.
You already can't appreciate the lore. You know, I know y'all appreciate it.
There is
I
here to
just- I
connect,
made
but the
this video
second
like
one, then there
2%
is
better.
to connect.
Anyways,
I was gonna size
one.
tool these guys down. Hold on, let me make them smaller. I'm in.
No, it's here.
Right there.
oh, wait, what are you gonna do with this?
The second one?
You're gonna have a demon
He's just
there?
gonna chill. Yeah, he's just gonna vibe for a little bit.
Look how big he is.
It's fine.
Jeez.
It's fine. We'll just turn him
Making the
on.
Christmas tree.
Wait,
I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna
hold
see it
on.
in the bedroom.
Let me hop in this one right here.
Where? Bedroom here, there.
I wanna hop in the
Which
Mr.
video?
Bean mobile.
You can hop
Where?
in. Oh, what's going on?
What?
He's shaking for me.
I'm gonna see
That's
there.
not good. I must have installed a mod.
Huh?
For you with our
I can't, bro. You're gonna have to do that one.
Is it like a third person thing, probably?
Nah, I know what mod it is, but I can't fix it right now.
Can you connect this one and then
Okay,
carry
I'm
the
driving
light?
it. Wait, do you want me to drive the Beanmobile through the maze?
Yeah, I'll fully. Well, you know what?
What? I hear something. Oh, nah. Did they get in here? Lizzie, look behind you. Lizzie, I hear something. Oh.
Oh my god! They found the cellar.
We gotta go. This way.
What if we talk to them? Hi, dog. You know what dogs hate? They hate water. I mean, cats hate water. Maybe he's not gonna like the
That's
water.
a dog, though. That's a
Oh
dog
my
day.
god, but it's a dog cat. Come on, be afraid of the water already, cat, dog.
God, he is so menacing but slow. I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
he's very slow.
Oh, I didn't mean to lock that. Let me in! Ah, oh my god, is he still following me? Missy, I see you okay? Oh, no! Missy, come here, stop! Wow, my phone
Holy
disorder.
Murray.
Missy, no,
Murray's
no.
gonna make up his mind.
I hate you.
Very good.
Just do to me every other day. You hate me one day and then you love me the other.
Well, it's because,
More.
I do things to make you the love and hate you. This way.
Here. There.
Barney, I lost you. You put
We
me in a corner.
we must put scattered.
I'm almost there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run there without you.
Well, thank you. I already made it. I got the kitty. I got the kitty. Oh, no, just kidding. I made it to queso. I'm on the queso's
Oh, no,
butt.
I went on the wrong way. I'm gonna take
I did it. I got to the kitty.
That one. Here. Here.
Joy just tickled me.
You can reach that one.
Whoa, Birdie. Whoa. No, it's Chloe's emotions. How do we get rid of all?
No, we have to do our last one.
Okay.
We did now.
That's the last one.
So our last one is we go in the under.
Very good. Very good, boy. What about the... Ooh, this one. The snowman. Put it there. Here. You can reach that one. It's too high. Very good, boy. Snowman. The green one. The green. You can put the green here. Here.
Brown maze, and then we try to survive.
Very good, boy.
Seconds to hide. First person to get
And then
the big loser for
more.
today. They're the big L, as they would say.
Oh, that's me.
The blue one.
No, not
Put
yet.
the blue here.
Okay.
Oh,
Here.
Go find
Here.
a hiding spot. You can go.
I'm gonna go find a hiding spot in the darkness.
Mama, we put for you. It's too high. And then...
Oh
Mm.
goodness.
I guess that my
You're the
spot
big
wasn't
loser.
far enough.
Big teleports me
I'm
again.
tired of losing. You know what? I'm so
Teleports me.
tired
You
of
can be the winner.
I'm here.
You'll be the winner. If you don't die first again, you're the big
Shake
winner.
hand, please.
Okay.
Very good.
You win. Okay, so we're back, and today we have our magical drawing boards. Lissy, I have this side over here, my drawing board and my drawing
Okay.
box.
Okay.
You have your drawing board in your drawing box. Whatever you
Box
draw.
better. My box purple.
Wow, Wildy
Whatever
Fling.
you draw on your board will come to life. Now use this
Wait,
as a discussion. Bo. It's from Bo's Revenge. His name is Poe. I think Poe. He's in Gary's mind. And me and Lizzie have to
Wow, are put everywhere. Wow.
So like this video or you're gonna get Poe mailed to your house. That's right. Smack that like button because no one likes these friggin' videos anymore. And it really makes me sad. But don't mind the Twitters, by the way. There's just a lot of Twitters around. There's no reason words. Also, if you want to shout out like these people right here, comment something poopy down below. Without further ado, Poe, would you
Fall off.
Yeah.
I can fix it.
I can use the toilet in peace, and I don't have to try to unclog a toilet that I didn't cause. Well, that was rude. Now I gotta use the bathroom. Oh my God.
Ew, farted.
Oh, this one's you.
Who farted?
Hey, stay out. You're not allowed in here. You look like what's coming out. Oh.
What did you eat?
Taco Bell, Taco John's, the food truck outside, down the street. Oh my God, it's all coming out. Oh.
The girl become a dog? Yeah, I will clean that one later. Yeah, I will clean that one later. Finish that one first.
I That's not anything to do with my lactose intolerance. They put explosive chili powder in their tacos. That's not on me. That's on them. They put freaking jalapenos and chili peppers and all that in there, and then gave it to me, and I went, oh my god, I can't do it anymore. Listen,
You're disgusting.
wait, what is that on? What is that on the news?
What's on the news? What?
Finish na one. Just fall off and give me that one. Good boy. There's two more. Are you tired?
Who looks like you? Is it a twin?
Where are you going?
That's my twin brother. There's something going on though. There's a
Are you tired? Are you tired?
okay, well, we gotta look. This is just a normal toilet. By the way, the guy
I don't
asked
think
it.
he's gonna fit. I think
Finish?
He's gonna break this one.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. 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 Okay, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Like me. Let's go. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Okay, I'll wait up here. You ready? Here they come. Okay, they're coming. Oh Lord, have mercy. Are they gonna get in? Are they gonna? What was that monster? I just got killed by the zebra. Are you kidding?
Oh, I got killed by zebra too.
Oh, they broke down that building. Holy crap.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. 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 Ice cream good.
Fun at all.
It sucked. I hated it. How about we do, military outpost tower. Why is there Teletubbies? Never mind. Forget it.
Teletubbies? What?
It was a Teletubby hanging. Oh my, the building's over.
The whole building.
I just unfroze it. Chill, Daddy. Okay. Wait, this is actually kind of safe. I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna be right up here.
Bye. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.